Restricting games until daily goals are met is a plus feature that allows you to set a minimum amount of time students must spend doing lessons before they can jump into games. Here's how you can set that up. On the Classes page, select the class you want to adjust. Then, click on Class Settings. Next, navigate to the Goals tab. Here, you'll see Restrict Games until daily goal is met. Click the drop-down menu and select your preferred option. Finally, click Save All Changes. Now, when your students log in, they'll need to reach their daily typing goal before the games become available. Let's see what this looks like from a student's perspective. This student hasn't met their daily goal, so they see that games are temporarily locked until they complete it. Once the student has typed for their daily goal, the games are unlocked and they're free to enjoy them. By using the Restrict Games until daily goals are met feature, you can strike the perfect balance between learning and fun. To learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.